Bismillahirrahmanirrahim ji, I am Sikander, Punjab's Minister for Education and Higher Education, and today is a great day where we celebrate our work that we've been doing with Google for the last 2 years, including the Centers of Excellence, including Gemini, including Read Along, including the Chromebooks. And now 2026, we are gearing up to be Google's biggest partner in technology. We're extremely grateful to Google, extremely grateful to Madam Chief Minister. And in 2026, with the international conference coming in, we are going to be nearing close to 250,000 Cloud IDs and 100,000 Chromebooks for 2026. And at the global conference, which includes foundation literacy and numeracy, which includes early childhood education, which includes public-private partnership, and Google is a great partner. We want to invite the entire Google's global team, along with their partners, to the international conference. Please come, grace us, and this partnership will grow every day.